The following video is proudly presented by MightyOxTrading. All information contained in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Monday. Hope everyone's had a great weekend. Ready for a great week here at MightyOxTrading with the futures market. Good morning, Mr. G. Good to see you. Let's see here. Let's see what the markets have done overnight. Kind of down and up. High on the ES 47.43.25. Dipped all the way down to 47.15. So, yeah, my math isn't working right. About 28 points of range. NQ trying to get back up to the high of the overnight. Its high was at 16,500. Low 16,378. 122 points of range. Copper. About 100 ticks of range. Gold dropping. Trying to rebound a little bit here, but got a huge range there. 31 points. Ultra bond. Looks like we've got a little over a point in range there. Crude oil dropping as well. Looks like it got. Wow, really did drop, didn't it? About 2.5 points of range, mostly in the downside. Bitcoin up above 45,000. Rocking and rolling there. That's where we stand there, whatever body posture you're choosing to take this morning as we get ready to rock and roll. Missed this move up right here right before we started. I would have liked to catch that, but that's okay. Still rising up. We're waiting. Looking at the 5-minute chart and 1-minute chart. Gonna try and play some 5 minutes on my other accounts. Well, I play the 1 minute on the Topstep. ATR is actually pretty good right now. It was 6. Usually I just have a morning where it's like 3 or 4. So we'll see. We're definitely moving. Let's see what news we have this morning, shall we? Nothing. That's right. We have no. Well, at 11 o'clock we have New York Fed 1-year inflation expectations, but that's it. That is it. There's a Fed speaker later in the day, afternoon. Maybe a pullback here. Yeah, should have taken that there. I got to be more in the moment. Hey, John. I hope you're doing well. Hope you had a good weekend. Day is starting off just now. I haven't taken any trades yet. So nothing good, nothing bad yet. Yeah, I saw crude had a pretty big fall. Apparently, the Saudis lowered prices or something. I just see the news headline, but a quick dip there. Matter of fact, new low day on crude. Right there, that would have been an entry for me. That purple candle, if I had been paying attention, or whatever. That was a nice move down. As was this night. This was a nice move down. This would have been my trigger candle. I should have taken this here, 484. You can see it went down to 476. Could have got 8 points there. All right, popping back up with a blue candle. Oh, have a blue. Coming back down, purple. See if it holds. I'm going to take it. If it does, doesn't look like it's going to. It does not. Ah, dang it. Morning, JC. How are you doing today? How's your weekend? Hey, you see it come down, continue to come down there. That's a missed opportunity on my part. Our market falls some here. Down to 471. Hey, Secret. Yeah, dollar's trying to bounce. Crude went even further down. Oh, it's trying to bouncy bounce. Short the euro. Nice. Okay. Oh, purple candle there. Purple candle in the wind. We're short. Oh, I'm not logged in. Oopsie, oopsie, oopsie. I knew I forgot to do something. There we go. Now let's go to the right one. There we go. With 2 contracts on this here. It looks like it doesn't want to go my way. Go for 5 points if it continues down for me. Or is a stop out of 5 points. My trading's alright. Except we're going to get stopped out there. Nice. Okay, well, that's how we start our day. Oops, I got to change those night bots. That sale is no longer valid. And maybe it's trying to bounce back up. So yeah, easy for me to say. No news catalyst today, so price action is just whatever it ends up being today. I don't think the Fed has any plans on printing more money. Nice rise up off that blue candle. It was below my signal lines, but They want secret. They want inflation to continue to cool. So I don't think they're gonna be printing any more money at this point in time. Lots of big banks this week, G. We also have CPI and PPI reports coming out this week, Thursday and Friday, I believe. Let me check that to make sure. Yep, CPI Thursday, PPI on Friday. Blue candle there on the 1. See how it finishes. Right now it's more wick than body. Actually finished red. Burning red. Another attempt at the blue candle. Get bonds open here in a minute. Long. I got major slippage on that long. Sorry. Don't usually mean to yawn in people's ear. I usually mute. Pulls back a little bit here. Rising up here some. Ultra bond opens kind of flat. Let's zoom do this. So you can see this trade better. Did notice that this is about where we topped out earlier, so that's a little bit of a danger zone. Highway to the danger zone. 49 is where we topped out earlier. We hit 47.75 there. Purple candle in the green is not a good sign. It's going to come down and bite me. Maybe not. Come on, head up. I would like to get my money back. I'll take 5 points. ATR's fallen some here, back under 5. How much did it get move up? Hey, first target was this hit. Moving my stop up to underneath that blue candle. A second target on the second contract sitting at 16,496. See if we can get up the rest of the way. We'll move our once this candle closes, we'll move our stop to break even. Hit that band, pull him back. Okay, break even, stop in place. We'll let it ride. Ooh, let it ride. See if we can get up to 496. I think I said high of the overnight was 500, so we're getting close to high day. High overnight, whatever. Got within 6 ticks of my target and it's pulling back a little bit. There we go. Target hit. So 5 points on one, 10 points in the other. That was a $300 trade. And that's a happy box. You see, we're getting close to that high over the overnight. 16,500 happened during Asia for the drop. 16,500 quarter. ES getting close as well. Its high was 47.43.25. It's at 47.39.25, so it's about 4 points away. Okay, Crypticon, how you doing, my friend? Haven't seen you in a few days. Pulls back a little bit of that purple candle. No news at all today, Crypt. We are newsless. Watch the market coming down a little bit. Sniffed the tie they didn't get close, but didn't got within 3 points of it, but now it seems to be wanting to come down. So are you trading, Crypt? Hey, Robin, good morning. How are you? Came down, bouncing up a little bit. And blue candle trying to come back up. And it's getting beaten back down. Beat down, beat down. I had to beat it down. Wow. So I'm 2 years behind. I said in my social media post today, first full week of the futures market for 2022. That's embarrassing. I'm doing good, except for being 2 years behind, apparently. Okay, Crift. I was wondering because you asked about news, so I was wondering if you were trading or not. Hey, John, how you doing? Yeah, we're popping up. Like we're in a small range now. Excellent, John. Excellent. Sorry to hear that, G. No problem, John. Did you get everything figured out? Down to the 20. We'll bounce a break. Are you closed them? So are you flat now, Secret? That makes sense. So for 150K accounts, John, you're gonna want either Topstep or Apex. Overall, it's gonna with their fees and stuff. It's still gonna be expensive though. You're looking for Topstep for the eval. It's 149, and then the setup fee is 149. So that's the 298. For Apex, for Rhythmic, it's $86 for the eval, but $260 for the setup fee. So it comes out to about $346. Now, depending on when it is, there might be another 80% sale in Apex, which will make it cheaper. We're short here on that purple candle. Bonds popping up. Bigger purple candle than I thought. 7 points. ATR still under 5. I might stop set at 5. I wonder if I should put it higher. Should I take it higher? Nobody's gonna stop me right now anyway. That was a bad read on my part to take that purple candle. So we're back to a little bit red here by 135. So let's see if I should have not jumped in that at all, or I should have followed my plan and put the stop at top of that candle. I know NinjaTrader themselves will give you a practice account for like 2 weeks with live data. But all the various challenge, companies, Topstep, whatever, Apex, you do get a practice account. It's called Sim 101, and actually Topstep gives you a different practice account as well, where you actually that practice account will actually include all the rules in the normal account. That's after, of course, you buy the challenge. Yeah, you get that same practice account with NinjaTrader, John. Kind of choppy. Choppy. Anyone else taking any trades this morning? It's like a slow morning so far. No news catalyst. About 47 minutes till the bell. Hanging right below the high day. Crude. Bouncing just a tad. Ultra bond not really doing anything. Coming down a little bit. There was actually some opportunity there, and then I see it. This one right here is a bam bounce. It went up 09 to 16. That was actually a decent move. Gold, not sure what it wants to do. Copper heading up. Bitcoin hanging about 45,000. Could be a big week for Bitcoin. Rumor has it that this spot Bitcoin ETFs are going to be approved this week. See if it actually happens, but it's actually reported by Bloomberg and one of the other big outlets. Pushing down. We're under a winter weather advisory. Hey, Burrow. Good morning. Let's see if we want to continue to grind down here. Looks like we might. Purple candle there. Nope, went away. Oh, but came back. Can't decide. We'll go out. We're short. Tight stop. How was your weekend, Burrow? Whoosh. Whoosh. But are you kidding me? 81.50 got within one tick of my target there. Need a little bit more whoosh. There we go. There was a little more whoosh. Now we have a second target on the other one. Moving our stop to slightly better than break even. See if we can get down to the second target. That's sitting right on the 100 EMA. So close, so close, so close. Oh, so close. Literally one tick away and back up. There we go. Target hit. So there we go. 5 points on one contract, 10 points on another, a $300 win. We are now up 156.56 on the day. Welcome back, Crypt. I need to remember to fix the money printer. I can't get it to work. The ATM machine or whatever that was that I had when I had a winner before. Nice bounce here though. Bounces right off that 100 EMA. Thanks, bro. Hey, it was all right. Spent a lot of time charting as usual. Good morning, Sid. How are you doing? No, $156, Crypt. Yeah, we're supposed to actually get 2 storms over the next week at least. We're actually under a winter weather advisory today. Well, and through Wednesday for 3 to 5 inches, and then they're saying this weekend could be another big storm. Crypticon, you're also under a winter weather advisory. 2 to 5 inches of snow. And you're also supposed to get hammered this weekend with snow, and it's supposed to get very, very cold, Crypt. Lows in the single digits Saturday night. That's our weather. We'll go to Angela for sports. Yeah, coming back down with the purple candle here. Kind of low on the RSI there, so I'm not sure I want that. It's tempting me though. Pushing down, so I could have took that short there. Could have got 5 off of it. Down to that 100 EMA. Just about the 20 EMA on the 5-minute chart. Yep, there's a nice little burst down. About 5 minutes to the top of the hour, crude will open then. You see it's kind of flat there, around 71.34. Ultra bond coming down, hitting its low a day there. Making a new low a day. No. Now it's trying to bounce maybe. No. Continuing on down. Continue on down and down the road. There's a little blue pop there. A little apoptosis. But didn't continue. Another blue candle. Wrestling with that 100 EMA. Wrestling fans, the following contest is set for one fall. Trying to break through that 100 EMA. Nice blue candle there, but I don't know if I want to trust it. It's getting close right back up to that 20 EMA. Sorry about the rattling. Wow, I should have trusted it. Wow, boom. Easy 5 points there. Where did that come from? Oh, top of the hour. That's where that came from. Nice 10-point candle here, top of the hour. Somebody woke the market up. Nice. Pulls back to 495. Remember, 500 is the overnight high. Ooh, big move down the oil. Oil broke through 7100, 71 even. It's right at that number right now. And Q coming right back down. Now bouncing a bit. We're all wonka. How you doing, David? Nice to see you. Given almost an entire candle, but you see this on the 5-minute chart, top of the hour, it shot up by 18 points, but it's given it almost all back. We're taking the short here. See if it can break through that 100 EMA. If it can't, then well, I'm screwed. But I like the momentum. Nope, bouncing. We're going to play yo-yo. Should have taken the short off this candle, which hit that band and shot down. This was actually an ill-advised short, and let's see if I can get out of it with a profit. There we go. We're out there. Took a small loss on that. But I think it's going to bounce on the... see, there it goes. Thought it was going to continue to bounce on the 100 EMA there. And it may. I could have got a couple ticks or a couple points of profit if I was doing well. You should have said hello to Sid. That's where Sid lives. And ended up getting down to 74.25. My entry was 78. So I mean, I could have got 3 points, but just trying to bounce back up now. Still pushing down now. So I had stayed in that, and the only reason I didn't was because that 100 EMA. If I had stayed in that trade, it would have been good. About 21 minutes till the bell. It's just hanging right on that 100 EMA right now. Morning, Ace. How was the weekend? We're supposed to get snow over the next couple of days. 3 to 5 inches. We're under winter weather advisory. And then this weekend we might get a lot more. So apparently the snow you got yesterday is headed here tonight. Popping right back up. So it did not break that 100. It kind of hung on to it. Should have taken that blue candle there. Yeah, it's supposed to get bitterly cold this weekend. It's supposed to get down to like 5 degrees. Somebody's in the kitchen with Ace. Oh. So we're popping back up, popping fresh dough. You can see NQ multiple times now. Has tried to get to that overnight high of 500, 16,500. Here it got to 97.75 failed. Here it got to 97.25 failed. Hung around in the 90s, pulled back, popped up here, got to 95.25 failed. We're back up to the 90s again. Mind you, folks, if you're enjoying the stream or you expect to enjoy the stream, I appreciate that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. Excellent, John. Wow, that's a nice rise up. It's going to try and run for it. Got up to 96. Still can't quite hit that overnight high. About 15 minutes till the bell. 16 minutes, honestly. Oh, God, I don't feel good, guys. Up, got real close. 498 half. Still can't get an overnight high. There it goes. Touched it and broke it. Breaking news. Oh, straight up for the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 minutes. So let's look at Friday. Friday's high was 577. If we can get up there. Friday was the first losing week for the indices in the last 9 weeks. Little pull back there. Got up to 506. Pull back by about 5, but right back up. Blue candle. around this 504. Yes, 4737. Dow 37,572. Take a quick gander at everything else. Crude made another new low a day. Ultra Bond trying to bounce up. Ultra Bond actually, this is beautiful in the Ultra Bond. If I've been trading Ultra Bond today, look at this. Band bounce here, band bounce here, band bounce here. That's perfect. Gold still looks sad. Purple candle here though on the one. Right back up though. It's a few minutes till the bell. Hanging around this 504 area again. Are you trading from the kitchen? So we're kind of really extended here on the time frames on the RSIs. So it'll be interesting to see. I think we're going to come down at the open, but we'll see. Pulls down. back to 500. See if it breaks back below. So where are we gonna go at the bell? I don't know where we're going. I only know where we've been. Just kind of hanging here waiting for the bell. Doesn't seem to want to do anything before the bell. Saved by the bell. Oh, maybe I'm wrong. Quick burst up, new high day. Nice ace. Yep. He says 2 minutes to go. 2 minutes, people. 2 minutes. Places, everybody. Pushing up here, right before the bell. Yep. Right up. Whoosh. Up to 15, 16, 523. ES gotten up to 47.40. Pulling back now, heavy. Back down to 511. Still green candle. ES pulls back to 47.39. Dow at 37.5. Excuse me, 570, 591. It's moving quick. And back up to green. And Q up to 530. 534 now. Ace has got himself at least a 5-point runner here. High now. 539.5. And continuing to go. Where she'll stop, nobody knows. $547 the high now on NQ. Little of a pullback. ES hanging around 47.44. So it's been hesitating a little bit in this area. See if it has any more oomph. The Dow's actually red candle. There's a red candle on the NQ. ES still strong though, 47.45. Purple on NQ. Or was back to green. Wow, ES up to 47.47. Yeah, you've just hit 10 points, Ace. 16,554. The high now on NQ. ES up to 47.47 half. It was a smart move. Oh, I'm sorry. I thought when you said about to get stopped out, you didn't get stopped out. I apologize, Ace. Yes, locking in 5 is definitely the smart move. Here we're starting to see a pullback. Absolutely. You know how I feel? I'd rather be just stopped out right away than seeing profit that I had go away. All right. Good luck on the bus. We're short here. Let's see, it's a mistake off that red candle. It was a mistake. That's okay. Big mistake. Wow. What did I get for? I guess I shouldn't have went short there. But, wow. So yeah, that wasn't ready to go short yet there. NQ up to 16,559. Still rising back up. 16,563 the high. Gold's rising up. Ultravond. It's got kind of chilly. Crude. Wow, crude's still falling here. May get below 70. You know, NQ just going and going and going. We're right near Friday's highs now. Friday high, 577 on NQ. We just hit 572. There it is. This broke Friday's highs. Yeah. Nothing can stop it. Like there was a lot of pent up buying from last week. So it basically double topped the Friday's highs. Let's see if it comes down now or if we're consolidating for a move up higher. So we've pulled back now about 15 points from the high. Back up. There it goes, 78 now. Trying to break back through that double top. Wow, just continuing now. Kind of hit 16,600. You can see here on the 5-minute chart, pretty much straight up for the last 45 minutes. One tiny little red candle there, and then boom. Oh, sorry, didn't mean to blow in the mic. 589, new high. Wow, 5-minute chart. RSI is at 99. I don't know. I don't know if it can go above 100. There's 590. Still going. Wow, 594. Craziness. Craziness. And I mean, the ES really isn't going that much higher. It's still at 47.47. And the Dow's been dropping. Pull back about 6. So we thought might have a little bit of a boring day today with no news catalyst, but this has been quite the ride. I'll tell you it's the top of the hour. It's kind of sideways here now, trying to decide which way it wants to go. Trying to push up. Like it might want 600. Purple candle. Usually a second purple candle at the same level, we usually mean it wants to come down. Or blue candle if it's the other way. But not quite yet. Now we're going to try it. It's went in with one contract. We're just looking for 10 points. With 5 and then flopped. Wow, look at the strength on this coming right back up. Everyone got real quiet. It's going to stop me out right here. Sniff my stop. Didn't stop me. There we go. Still going up. So I was doing, so far I've done the opposite of trying to catch a falling knife. Got stopped out there, stopped out there. It's okay. Yeah, it seems that way. I just been playing the 5-minute chart. I could take that little blue candle right there and whooshed up for 100 points. Well, it's 80 points. It's still struggling to get above this level though. 97, 93, 92, 94, 95, 95. Oil trying to bounce. Ultra bond nearing its high day. Gold, big pullback there on copper. Agriculture. Ooh, agriculture is having a down day. Except for hogs. Look at agriculture just falling. Another try. Wow, there's a break of 600. Wow. Every time you think it might be dying, boom. $605. New high. The market's just continuing to just go up, Ace. NQ up to 615, ES up to 47.49. NQ is going above both Thursday's highs and Friday's highs, trying to get back now on some of Wednesday's losses. But interestingly, ES has not gotten to Friday's highs yet. Nothing wants to stop NQ today. Meanwhile, the Dow is actually down. Dollar's down. Look at this go. This continues to go. 621.5. I think 99.58 is the highest I've ever seen the ultimate RSI. Another whoosh up to 31. ES up to 47.51. Dow's popping up now. A little bit of a pullback. So the high is 634 now on NQ. Yeah. Seeing a pullback here now. Pullback by about 12. Yeah, that pullback, but right now it's not sustaining. Well, maybe it is. Nothing wants to keep the NQ down. Here it comes back up again. Amazing day here so far. Here comes NQ again. Another new high day. ES up to 47.53. Dow 37.570. Gold at 20.33. Wow, just look at that go. 641 now. The only thing I can think about that might be driving this a little bit is the fact that they did announce last night that they came to a consensus in Congress about the funding bills and the level of funding. They still need to work on the appropriations, but it's sounding like they're working on avoiding a government shutdown. So I think I can think that's driving this. Pulls back just slightly. Hey, Crypt. Who would have guessed that when Congress actually works together, they can be a positive thing? All right, go ahead, Crypt. What's the question? All right, back up. Down. It can't decide. Oh, there's a push down. Not by much. Still nothing I want to take here. Sorry, didn't mean to yawn in your ear again. I'm not really been good about uh, muting with this new headset. And there we go. Coming down some. Maybe, maybe, maybe. Remind me, G, bull put means you want the price to come down, right? Or you want the price to go up? I get confused. Okay. Well, yeah, I was thinking bull was higher, but put I thought was never mind. That's why options confuse me. Yeah, I knew bull and bear, but when you put the put in there, I was thinking put was like call is. I thought call was long and put was short or something like that. This is why I need. This is why I stay out of options. Besides not having any money to put in options. Okay, I got you. Wow, that's an interesting way to think about it, Ace. Might be seeing the market finally coming down here. So we got up to 16,644. We pulled back by 18 points. No frog drift. Waiting to see what it wants to do. ES hanging at 47.50. One day you have to give us all an option lesson there, G. Okay, I got you. Oh, bouncing right back up there, right back down. Hanging around 16,634. Blue candles coming back up. Yeah, Max will also be scary. Up, down, up, down. Everybody look what's going around. Wow, it's very choppy with big candles. These are all like 10-point candles. Back up with the blue candle. And back up to high day. 644.25. So looks like we double topped that again. Exactly to the tick, coming back down. Is there a reason he's happy, Crypt? Oh, nice. That last $15 can be killer. Crypticon, they give a little bit of leeway, but I don't know how much little bit is. What I would say is try it. Gotta get the 15, get that other $15, and if they say he's over consistency, he's just gonna need like less than $100 tomorrow. Well, no, a tick on the ES is $12.50, Ace, plus commissions. There we go. Now we're getting a short. Sorry, I wasn't really trying to correct you there. I just thought it was funny. Some folks work over an hour to get one tick on the ES. I remember federal minimum wage is still only $7.25 an hour. Well, all my tips are for like the 2 or 3 times a year I get pizza delivered, and there I usually do just a flat $5 tip, or maybe a roundup of five, like five and whatever changes the order, whatever. I haven't actually been inside a restaurant since 2015. Yeah, I try to be a generous tipper too, but I'll be a much more generous tipper once I have like more money. Popping back up. Yeah, it's funny. Back when I worked, I was a shift manager at Pizza Hut back in the mid '90s, uh, late '90s, one of the two. Anyway, and there was this one waitress that was just absolutely awesome at her job, and she was also the only one that would actually accurately report her tips for tax reasons. So she would sometimes make, and this is in the '90s. So she would sometimes make $500 a week just in tips, and which was way more than anyone else in the restaurant. It was, and more than I was making as a shift manager. I think it was more than the assistant manager was making. But she accurately reported her tips all the time. So every 2 weeks, I'll get a call from headquarters to make sure this number was right for the amount she reported, because like everyone else just reported the bare minimum of their tips to get by, and she's reporting $500 a week. But yeah, she was all. I mean, she made darn good money doing what she did. And there we go, another new high a day. Now 651. This just won't die. It looked like it wanted to die for a second, but this just won't die. That was a burst, Ace. We're up to 47.56 on ES. Uh, we got up to 652 on NQ. Pulls back a little bit here. Yeah, YM down to the 37.629. Now I was a shift manager. G. I got. It wasn't much more than minimum wage, honestly. See you tomorrow, Ace. Have a great day. Oh, her she was in the normal Pizza Hut uniform. She was an older woman too, like in her 50s. She just been doing it a lot of years and knew how to do it, knew how to engage with her customers, knew how to make sure her customers were, treated right. Oh no, they did not. They got 213, like it was, I think back then, I think it still is 213 an hour plus tips. I mean, she did the one thing, one thing she had going for is she worked both Fridays and Saturdays, both the lunch and the dinner. She worked like 11 to 8 Fridays and Saturdays. So she got the prime shifts for the weekend, but still. The other thing is, that was a dine-in Pizza Hut. Back then, most dine-in Pizza Huts had alcohol, and we didn't even have alcohol. We never got that store never got a liquor license, so people weren't even tipping on alcohol, either the amount of it or the drinking from it. Have a great day, G. We'll see you tomorrow. Have fun at the gym. Big old purple candle here. I like it. Let's see if it comes back down. Down. We're going to take the short. Should have taken the long off these green candles down here on the 20. Looks like this is going to come right back up. This just doesn't want to die. Going through my back testing, these purple candles while in green and hitting and coming out of the bands work most of the time, and it just hasn't worked at all today. Not one bit. I don't. It's like, why do I test this stuff over the weekend? It never works. I guess actually over here it would have worked. Pulls back. And coming back down. So if I had my stop just a little bit higher there, I would be in profit now. stretching, sorry. Bounces again. It's an amazing run up here. 655 is the high. ES just about touching Friday's highs now. Excuse me. NQ well above Friday and Thursday highs. I don't think it, I mean, I shouldn't say I don't think, but I don't know. At this point, I'm kind of surprised where we're at. But Wednesday's high was 688. So that's only 30 points away. We'll see if it gets there. Another new high, 59. So I guess I shouldn't not doubt it. Pull back. About 15 minutes left to go in the stream. Coming back down. Still heading up. See if this gets back up to the highs. Here it comes again. Got back up to 658. High was 659. And just keeps going. Another new high. Still going. Oh, 666. That's not good. Actually, 4 sixes. 16, 666. Excuse me 1 second. I'm taking a screenshot for somebody. Possible pullback here. We'll try one more short trade that probably won't work out. I do have a free reset coming with this Topstep, so kind of why I'm taking a couple stupid chances here, hoping for one big move. But I was stupid that somehow I didn't go long. I don't know. Today's a frustrating day. One of those days in my head just can't wrap around that it can continue to go up, and I just keep playing short, and it keep not working. Back to my entry. Right back up. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, so we got a second purple candle there, so I'm moving my stop down there. Excellent, John. I think I'm doing a night stream tonight, John, but it's not 100% sure. It's going to be kind of a game day's decision. Couple minutes left in the stream. We'll see where this trade goes. You just want to drop. You know you want to drop just a little bit. There we go. Come on. Come on down. There we go. There's a nice move down. Bouncing on that 20 again. Hey, it's getting close to my target. We might actually have a winning trade here. Are you kidding me? Got to within 2 ticks of my target. Come on down. Come on down. Wow. Okay, coming back down. Top of the hour bounce there. There we go. There's our target. All right, so we finish on a positive note. We're red, but considering I was trading 2 and 3 contracts, not that bad. It's 483. Still gotta try and like play with the stop step to try and either just have to use the reset or maybe get it back to a big number. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day. We'll probably be here tonight, 7 p.m. Eastern time. If not, we're back here tomorrow, 8 a.m. Eastern time. Hope you have a great rest of your day, and we'll see you then. If you enjoyed today's live stream, remember we do this every day, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Hope you'll continue to join us. Also want to invite you to join our Discord community. Great community of traders talking trading, and sometimes just shooting the breeze about other things as well. Traders helping traders and encouraging traders there. Also, of course, follow me on social media, mainly on Twitter or at X, where you'll always find updates on the latest prop firm discounts and reviews, as well as get notified whenever a new video comes out from MightyOxTrading. Have a great rest of your day,